Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're aboard the 2020 Azimut 66 Fly. Like all of the Fly series from Azimut, we're standing on top of this hydraulic swim platform. This boat has crew quarters for two. It's not really ready for show right now, but for two people with a separate head compartment. So if everyone's hanging out on the platform and you're in beach mode, you have somewhere to use the bathroom and change down below without having to track through the boat. This boat has teak decks. Mainly fabric inside here, the U-shaped sofa. And if you notice how the hardtop extends on this boat, you have full coverage back here in the cockpit area, although other parts of the boat you have plenty of sun. The synthetic table here in the cockpit and also up on the bridge and on the bow for ease of maintenance. So wet bar here with an ice maker below, sink up top. Three-piece stainless steel salon door. Moving forward inside the salon, this one is the fabric interior down here in the lower salon, but keep in mind Azimut has over 30 leathers and 200 different fabrics to choose from when you build the 66. Here, this is one of the first boats that we did with a glass table versus the wood table. Opens up the salon quite a bit. This boat has the white countertops, stainless steel refrigerator and freezer drawers, relay appliances. And over here on the port side, we have an American bar set up, and these stools will flip around, so when running, you can actually face forward. This boat is a glass dashboard, gray marine 16-inch displays. This is digital switching, like all of the Azimut series that we bring into the States. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper gyro. Here we have a bow and a stern thruster, and we also have a separate Aventix control joystick docking, which works really well. This boat works unbelievable for an owner-operator. And this boat here is the first boat in the Azimut lineup that's a 4-stateroom layout. Here to port, we have a separate bunk room, separate AV systems for each bed. On the starboard side, good sized twin berth with hull side windows, opening porthole, separate AV system again. And those two berths share this head and shower compartment. Nice stone countertops that we did on all the heads on this boat. And up forward here is the VIP stateroom. Plenty of height, and if you look at the shape of the bow of the Azimut, it keeps a lot of its width up forward, which gives you all this space up here on each side of the bed. This is a separate head compartment for the VIP stateroom. And midships is our master, which is a full beam stateroom. And you'll notice the large hull side windows. The television's on an electric actuator that comes out of this vanity right here. A ton of storage in this master. Built-in safe as well. There's a lot to see here on the 66. If you'd like additional information, please give us a call at 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.